última guamada, esta es mi última. Bye, have a great time.
Hey, in today's video, I'll be showcasing a free car in Driving Empire. Hopefully you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified as soon as I post a video. Now let's begin by redeeming the code for the free car. Now this is how the car looks. Here's also the interior from a first-person view. Now let's drive this car and see how well it does driving around. I will now show you how this car performs on a drag race. Now I will be modifying this car real quick. You can rate this mod in the comment section below and let me know how I did from 1 to 10. This is how my mod looks in the night on this car. Well, you have reached the end of today's video. Hopefully you like it. If you want me to continue make these types of content, feel free to comment and let me know. And without further ado, remember, God loves you, and I do too. Stay safe out there. Peace.